When a patient fights for its life, every second counts, and every member of the team. For this moment, we at Intensobox have developed and are constantly improving our devices to support veterinarians with a reliable team member that has already saved thousands of patients in hundreds of clinics all around the globe. How this collaboration works is now shown to us by two experts that work with the Intensobox every day.
A cat arriving in respiratory distress, when he arrives to our unit, ends up in an oxygen box. That's the first thing we do. We don't do anything else. We always have an oxygen box on. You will have time to calm down in a place where there's no much sound. So he gets in the oxygen cage. We bring the oxygen cage to the maximum. Within seconds, the concentration is achieved. And then we leave the patient alone for minutes while you observe him from afar.
I've been working with oxygen cages or oxygen boxes since, I think, 10-15 years at least. So different cages, and I think it's it is best box I ever worked with, because the concept is very well thought. There are many parameters to control. You can set the oxygen concentration, you have the CO2 control, you have some light and so on. So it's a well thought concept. What is also pretty nice is the use of the box is pretty easy and self-explanatory. The cage is pretty quiet if it works, and I've worked with some other cages which were pretty loud during the fill-in process with oxygen or during the cooling process. So it's one of the boxes with less noise production. What's also nice is it's pretty easy to clean. The surfaces are pretty easy, pretty flat surfaces, and in the little holes at the doors you can push in some fluid lines or monitoring cables or whatever you want to use. The good thing on the Intensobox is that it has the ability to control oxygen concentration in the cage. I think these are very important tools in this Intensobox.
Therefore, we've designed the Intensobox that can reach 70% of oxygen concentration in 3 minutes and without any noise. Thanks to full automatization, you can fully concentrate on your patient. No sensor calibration, no soda alarm checks, no flow rate to adapt. The Intensobox is equipped with active cooling, dehumidification, CO2 extraction, different light colors, burn-safe floor heatings, automated oxygen weaning program, and remote maintenance option over Wi-Fi in case of any questions. With 5 different sizes, we can provide the life-saving option for any patient size. If you want to improve patient safety, we are happy to receive your mails, calls, and questions.